I hope you're having an amazing day. Today in front of me here I have a smart lock. This is the Lockly. Hopefully I'm not butchering that, I'm saying that correctly. This is the Secure Pro Deadbolt edition, which comes with the Wi-Fi hub, also some door sensors. But we're gonna go ahead and install this, but for now let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside. So first impression is everything. So let's open the box here and see what's inside and how everything is set up. So far we got this nice message, which is here, and the actual box itself here. So we got some booklets here. So one thing you rarely see nowadays is colored booklets. And this one does have some color, and it just looks nice and high quality. Also, we have here the door serial, also the initial code for the door here as well, which I think that is. And let's put that away for now. So everything looks very nicely packed here. I love it when I see boxes like this. Definitely it screams high quality, and they didn't cheap out on the packaging, definitely. So let's look at what we have here first on this small box. Okay, so we got 4 batteries here, AA's, and the locking mechanism here, the screws, some 3M tape, and 2 keys. Let's put that away. So right now here we have the actual lock, the backing part, the one that goes inside, and the battery compartment here. Everything looks high quality actually. It doesn't look like cheap stuff here, which is definitely good. So this is the metal part that goes behind. And another small box here. Let's see what's inside. So we got some, okay, so I believe this is the Wi-Fi hub and also the door security. So we're gonna connect these after and see what these are all about. Let's put that away for now. And the actual thing itself here. Oh, it's kind of like it has some weight into it for sure. So we got some tape here. So this is it. This feels very nice, very high quality here. Definitely doesn't feel cheap, and it's not plastic here. We got the fingerprint reader, which is on the side, the number pad, and also the lock, which is nice. And we already got the keys for that too. So that's pretty much what's in the box. So right now we're gonna go ahead and put everything together and see how it works. All done. The installation was a breeze, no problems at all. Pretty straightforward where to put all the pieces. No issues there at all. Anyone can do it pretty much. And it does work. So one thing you need to do is just read the little instructions on the tapes. There's some instructions there. Just like before putting the last battery, you have to hold the program button so it can do its self-testing. You guys already saw that. So on the front here, let's go ahead and remove that. And okay, so we see here it does lock. If you just press there, let's just unlock once again. Nice. I'm just gonna see if it's to press it anywhere. Okay, so pretty much you need to press it at the bottom here, and it does lock the door, which is pretty cool. The other thing which I really love is, let's say someone doesn't really want to use the touchpad or fingerprint reader or their phone. You have the optional key here, which it's kind of pretty useless to me, because the reason why I have this is because I want to use all the functionality, like with my phone, fingerprint, all that. But it's there for someone who wants to use it. In case of an emergency, of course, that's also a very good option. So right now I have the Wi-Fi, the door sensor here. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the Wi-Fi hub here and connect everything and see if it works as it should. Also, I'm gonna install the app right now and see how the fingerprint part works. So pretty much now I'm gonna go ahead and install the app. Just click the Lockly app there, install. Looks like it has 4.5, so that's a very good sign there. Let's go ahead and open it. So we're just gonna press next to grant some permission here, allow, and let's go ahead and sign up here quickly. Okay, so we're done with the registration. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add a new device here. So we're gonna choose the Deadbolt edition here. Also the secure link, I haven't connected that yet, but for now I'm just gonna go ahead and click this. Okay, so this is the card we got in the box. And so connect Bluetooth using, okay, let's see here. Go ahead and confirm. Here we go, it did find it. And initial code. So this is the one that came in the booklet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type it and click connect. So I've gone ahead and connected the app, just registered. So right now it's connected through Bluetooth, so it should work fine. Let's go ahead and unlock. It does that, and then just click lock here. And it does the job. So what we want to do next is, we have the log here. We're able to see when the door was locked and if someone tried to unlock it. So right now we're gonna go ahead and add a new fingerprint here. Actually, that's the first thing I want to test out. So add fingerprint. We got some instructions here, a video, and so let's just add a name here. And so on the screen right now we see number 6 there, so I'm assuming I would need to tap my finger here 6 times. So 5, 4, 3, 2, so pretty much we don't want to place our finger in the same place, so we want to like move it around so it's just not one place, so it's easier for the lock to work. So right now let's go ahead and test it out if it works on the first try. And it does, which is awesome. And so right now I'm gonna go ahead and add a code here. So one thing is, so successfully added, and click done here. So right now I have my name there, and I can see exactly, I can set it up also with iFit as well to see when I came in and all that, to give me notifications. I've done this with my other smart lock, which is great, kind of connecting everything together. But now let's go ahead and add an access code here. So we're able to put a trusted user, guest, and a one-time access. The other cool thing which you saw there, it did automatically lock the door. Let's say you're leaving, after I believe it's 30 seconds, it automatically locks the door by itself, which is very nice. I'm just gonna add a trusted user for now and go confirm. So we need 6 to 8 digits. So let's see here, confirm. Okay, so let's set up a digit. So I'm just gonna go 6 times, number 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and confirm. And actually we need to add a name. Let's just put the B in there, confirm, connecting. And we're able to share the code with a trusted user, but right now, so let's go ahead and see if it does work. So number 1 is down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it does work. Perfect. Okay, I love it when things just work without any issues. And this is one of them, which is great. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and also connect the Wi-Fi hub and see how that all works. But before I do that, I just want to show you what's included in the app here, a little more details. So on the first one, we have the control, where we're able to control the lock. Also, we can see the battery life at the top right hand corner up here, and then the log itself. So we can see exactly who unlocked the door. It will tell you the name, all of that. And then access, you're able to set all of that up here. Under settings, we have the firmware update actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and check. So it's up to date now, which is good. No need to connect this to your PC or anything like that. It can update through the Wi-Fi. Once we have the Wi-Fi hub set up, I will check the firmware once more to make sure it's all good. But to set up the Wi-Fi hub, all we need to do is go under the settings and then just click up here. Secure Link Hub has not been set up. And that's it. We're gonna go ahead and already purchased, connect now. So right now I've gone ahead and connected the Wi-Fi hub, pretty straightforward. Just click next, connect to your Wi-Fi. And right now I want to set up these 2 door sensors. And for Google Assistant or like Alexa to know the status of your door, if you have your door open, you're going to need to install these, which come with a kit here. So right now we're able to unlock and lock the door from anywhere. No need for Bluetooth because I've connected the Wi-Fi hub. Also, we know when our door is open or locked. So right now closed. Let's just put this again. See, we got that notification, the door is open. And right now we're gonna close the door and we got that nice blue there. Pretty cool. Really hope you guys enjoyed this review. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. If you're new here, please subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. And more tech reviews to come, so stay tuned. If you guys have any comments, put them right below. I'll be more than happy to look at them and answer them. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.